Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video to my channel. My name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And before I get into this here unboxing, say happy New Year's. Well, it is 2023. Blessed to see another year, and I am just so excited, you all. I don't know what 2023 has in store for me, but I'm gonna bring you all along for the ride. That being said, because I don't want to make this video super long, because this here is a unboxing. Here, jump straight into this hair unboxing, but I wish each and every one of you a happy new year, a happy and blessed new year, because not sure when I'm going to post this video, but I know it's going to be in 2023. Being said, this here will be my first 2023 bag unboxing. It is a bag, you all. And let me just say, I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into this hair unboxing, because as you can see, it's a nice size box. Thanks for all the love y'all showed your girl on that Louis Vuitton video. I did just purchase a Karigami from Louis Vuitton. I did end up keeping it because I figured, you know, I could get multiple use out of that particular item. So this here is something I purchased off of Amazon. Remember when I said I wasn't sure if I would wear it as a crossbody, but I decided to get the chain anyway. What I'm waiting for is my insert. I don't know, for whatever reason, my payment will go through, it'll give me my delivery date, and then all of a sudden it'll decline my payment. So I don't know what's going on with Amazon with this particular card, but this came, but my pouch, the insert, hasn't come as of yet. But you know, I do have the chain, so when the other piece finally come, I will do a updated video on the chain I purchased, the insert, where I got it from, and so forth and so forth. So this is a purchase. This is a particular brand I'm not really too familiar with. Like, I never heard of this brand. This was like a YouTube made me do it type purchase. Like I said, this here brand is not in the United States. It is over in, I want to say Paris or London or something. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I really do a lot of homework. I was just so excited about the purchase. I just wanted to go ahead and hurry up and do the unboxing. But I will leave links and details about this particular brand down below. It's really popular. If you type it in the search bar, a lot of unboxings and reviews will come up. Now, I did hear looking to open a store in New York area. Not sure on when and all the details about that, but I did hear that through YouTube. This particular brand is very new to me, and y'all, I am so excited. Like, I am so excited. I did peek because I just wanted to make sure everything was everything, and it is. It did come, like I said, overseas. It took, when did I purchase this? Less than 5 days, I will say. I think it's pronounced Poland. I'm not sure, but here's the brand right here. My lights might be washing it out because it's white and gold. Let me just say off the bat, the presentation, I will give a straight 10 across the board for a presentation, if you didn't know that. So here is the box. Put my phone on don't disturb. But anywho, I went on the website, and the one good thing about this particular brand, since it's overseas, I didn't have to pay duties or taxes or anything like that. So if you are looking to purchase this after you watch my video, let you know you do not have to pay duties or taxes or anything. So I think this was like $3.20, and that's exactly what I paid. I did try and search coupons, but I couldn't find any. I'll link this here down below for you all, because when I unbox this and show you this bag, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, Miss Tamika, this bag, that bag is so cute. You may already heard of this particular brand, but like I said, for me, I never heard of this brand. This was like a YouTube made me purchase the bag. I did watch a lot of videos, because I don't even know how the return policy is. So I was just like, okay, from watching the videos, I knew I would like it. So that's why I purchased it, because if I wasn't 100% sure, I wouldn't purchase the bag because I think the return policy, you have to pay for the shipping and all that. So I was just like, see, we're not going to go through all that. No, for sure, I'm keeping the bag because, again, I'm not sure how the return policy is. So if you're not sure about this bag, I would recommend you to research how the return policy works because, again, it is overseas. Now, once the New York store opens, maybe that will change, but for right now, this did come from overseas. The box is like a pearl white. It's not like bright white, it's like a pearly white. It's like really, really pretty. And here is the tissue paper. The tissue paper is a little crinkly because, like I said, I did peek in the box. Everything was just perfect, you all. And y'all know, if you know me personally, I'm for presentation. Guys, you all, the desk bag feels really nice and soft, like really nice and soft. So as you can see, here is the desk bag, the strap, the box last night. That leather hit me dead in my face, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I love a good smelling leather bag. So just to let you know, this here bag is all leather. It is a structure bag, but I didn't mind it because it's small. Look how cute this bag is. Let me see, is it washing the color out? Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to see if I need to. All right, y'all, hopefully you can see it, but it's like a blush pink color. So if you like, hey, Miss Tamika, I need something darker, they got you. Tamika, I need something darker. They do have a lot of darker colors, but for me, I was looking for this bag to be like a spring summer type of bag. This is like so small and cute that I can get like a pop of color, because this can go with anything, and I don't think I would have to worry about color transfer because it is like that leather, but I'm sure within time it will soften up. To the features of the bag, you do have a back pocket. Now the back pocket, you really can't fit much. A lady come into our store and she had like her credit cards back here. Personally, I don't think I would put credit cards in here. What I may put in here is stuff like some Body Works coupons, like things that I can grab easily. Keep it empty because it is like really, really tight. Sold me was the fact that this little cutie has feet, gold feet. Do you see? It has 4 gold feet. So you placing this on the table, anywhere, it's going to be protected. And you also have this here magnetic closure. I thought it was really cute as well. The way that it opens. About this particular brand, the bags on their website are like unique bags. Like, it's not a style you would see all the time, and that's another thing that sold me on this particular bag, because you don't see this bag around like you see Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Wrong, I love my Louis Vuitton and Gucci, but when I tell you, one that comes into our store has that Louis Vuitton Matisse, the monogram print. You wanted something different, you know, just to switch it up every once in a while. So here you have this here opening, and let me show you how it's like bunchy up at the front, which I really love a whole lot. Unsnap this, and then a lot wider, just in case you have things that, so you have your tissue paper in here. It's not that velvet material, like that suede material. It's just like a cloth material. Then you also have the tag that lets you know the style of the bag. You have one back pocket here. It feels like you could probably put, I don't know, your AirPods in here. Get a strap that is adjustable. Remove the strap and just carry it as a handheld bag. Like I said, these here straps are adjustable and removable. Wondering, because you know I have that gold strap, I probably could take these straps off and place that gold chain on here and use that as a strap as well. That's probably when I will take the straps off, attach the gold strap, and see how that looks with this here particular bag. But again, y'all know how I do my unboxings. I like to share the unboxing, maybe put a few things in here, and then do a part 2 sharing like more details regarding the bag. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just grab some stuff. At the moment, I am still using my Louis Vuitton card case, so we're going to go ahead and place that in here like so. We definitely need a cell phone, and I do have the 14 Pro Max. I have my Gucci key pouch, my little Louis Vuitton card case. I place like the Bath and Body Works coupons. My Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Didn't place that somewhere on the side. I have my Chanel, Tom Ford. Definitely need my AirPods. And this bag is small, but y'all, let me tell you, it holds a lot. Okay, I have a lot in here. So I just threw in a Bath and Body Works lotion. Like I said, here is the inside of the bag. We can button her back up. Oh, this bag is so cute, you all. Hey, this bag, and you a bag lover like me, you gotta get this bag. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. And it's even cuter once it's buttoned up. You see how it was able to secure my items? Like, I didn't put nothing in the back because I don't have anything back there. So I did leave the back pocket empty. Put this little karigami thing back there. Let me see. Side, because like I said, the way the bag is made, only thing that could fit like in that back pocket is small and flat. And the only thing I can think of is like a credit card or gift cards or something. Keep in mind with this bag, you do not have to button the bag, and I will show you if you don't button it, you can still close it. Want to button the bag, you can close it, but it will still give you the illusion that it is buttoned. So for me, you just might as well button the bag. I'll show you how wide it opens when it's not buttoned. I can see a full-size wallet fitting in here. Like I said in part 2, I probably would share more. I would share more on a full-size wallet if it can fit my pochette and all of those. Like those things I will also try as well. But like I said, I'm just really just showing you really quick. I was just buttoning the bag and closing her. This bag is so adorable, you all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this table up so we can see how this here item looks on my body. Ooh. So like I said, you can carry this in the crook of your arm like so. I don't think I would ever carry this particular bag like that, but as you can see, you can. If I ever carry it by the handle, it would be like this on the side. Put it on as a crossbody, and this is how I will most likely carry the bag, as a crossbody. Fits perfectly on my body. Big and bulky, you know, like some crossbodies, it's like really big and bulky, but it fits so nice against my body. Like I like the fact that it lays so close to you like that. I tell you, this bag is freaking adorable. And now you also can carry the bag as a shoulder bag, but I never carry my shoulder bags like this. Like I just don't, because I just feel like it's not secure. Like I don't carry none of my crossbody bags that has straps like this as a shoulder bag. So it would never happen with me. But y'all, how it looks if you are that person that likes to carry your bags on your shoulder. Like I said, I'm more so of a crossbody girl. It's likely how I would carry this particular bag as a crossbody. It would have been really nice if the straps could have converted over to a backpack. Oh my gosh, that would have been the cutest thing ever, because just imagine this on the back of your bag. So with that being said, you all, this is Miss Tamika approved, honey. This is the new bag for 2023. Love, I'm in love, and this will not, I repeat, this will not be my last bag from this here particular brand. Wait to share some pictures with this here particular bag. Video, I will show what was in the bag just in case you just want to check one more time. Button the bag to go in it, and I will show you halfway through with the bag button. So I have my Chanel lip gloss, a Bath and Body Works lotion, my Tom Ford lip gloss, and this here is a nice color. This here is in the number 13 Impulse. That lip gloss is very big and bulky, just to let you know, and it fits perfectly. I do have my mini wallet. I have my newest purchase, like I said, I got from Bath and Body Works. Pods. Bag is still buttoned, and I was able to grab in the bag without a problem. I will unbutton it just to let you see. Is my wallet, iPhone, at least my Gucci card case. Those things was able to fit. You probably could fit a little more, maybe like something like something like sunglasses or whatever. Sunglasses, I normally keep them like in my hand or carry them in like a little pouch. I am so in love with this here beautiful, beautiful bag. Presentation, I give it a 10. The bag, I give a 10. The shipping, I give a 10. So again, if you never heard of this brand, pull in. I will link it all down below for you all. If you have any bags from this particular brand, let me know down below, because like I said, this will not be my last bag from this particular brand. I hope y'all enjoyed my newest purchase for 2023. So in love, so in love. So please don't forget to click on my subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.